Hey y'all, don't mind my look. Today I'm just at home, so I'm making pancakes and I'm using the new pan to make them. And oh my gosh, y'all should see my pancakes because my pancakes haven't looked this good. Let me just turn it so that I can show you. I'm also using some butter and normal oil, but butter kwa wingi. So I thought I would come here and show you because I think this is a testament that these pans, these sufurias are awesome. This is beautiful. It's a work of art. They look so nice. Normally my normal pans wouldn't do this. But this looks so good. So I'm actually maybe remaining with one or two. But let me show you. I thought of making the kids some pancakes and this looks so gorgeous. And then nimetumia unga ya kupika mandazi because I couldn't find, or rather tumeishiwa na unga normal. So chini yake, it looks amazing. Look at that. And when you're making chapos with this pan, oh my gosh, amazing. I actually love. So these are the other ones that I have made. Do you all see? And then they are so soft. So soft. Probably because I have used this unga. I normally would use the normal one, but here imeisha. So I've put half this and then half the other one. And then, let me show you something else. Look at this one that I'm just making now. It's not even up to 2 minutes that I've made this one. But they are so soft and so... Look at that. So soft, so fluffy. So I guess this is your sign. So these pans, this is how the pan looks like. Oh my gosh, the quality is 100. And I'm helping guys shape them. Well, they have actually been delivered to the warehouse today. I got the message today. So today is when they delivered them. So I'm hoping, I'm really hoping that they put in the colors that were supposed to come in. Anyway, let's see how my new pressure cooker looks like as we finish up making these ones. So just one more. So I'm warming up this stew that was last night. It's a chicken curry. That's what the kids are going to have for dinner. That's what they are going to have with the pancakes. I just thought of something they could eat and that's what I had in mind. So we have this Silver Crest pressure cooker that we got a few days ago. And as I had showed that you can actually cook so many things with this thing, like literally almost everything. Look at that. And then it's energy saving. So it's 6 liters. And yeah, I had already unboxed, so I will not be unboxing with you, but it came with a few things that I thought I would show you. And this is my daughter's work. Is it in a class? No. So we have the manual. I don't throw away these boxes because I still like to store them in them. We have this manual, then we have this measuring cup. Oops. But I don't even think I'm ever going to use this. And then we have this scooping spoon. Mostly, if you've been to China or most Chinese households, this is what they used to serve rice with. So I've been there and that's why I'm saying that. So I think most pressure cookers, because it can cook rice, come in this. And then we have this. I actually don't know where this one goes, but I had, let me just show you. I had an idea for where this one goes. Let's see the pressure cooker itself. So we have our pressure cooker right here. It's on now. And now for the soup, because I had bought some, my husband bought us oxtail, and I wanted it to actually I wanted to use the oxtail to demonstrate while I made it, but I didn't have the battery for the camera, so the camera didn't have power, so I just made it without y'all. I'm so sorry for that, but let me just demonstrate real quick. These are the options that you get. So if you're cooking rice, this is the option that you press, soup, whatnot, all that. That's where you press. When you want to cancel, you press here and it will warm cancel. Test choose. I think you can open your pot when you choose this option, because now this is a pressure cooker. It releases pressure air, like really hot air. The pressure is what helps the pressure cooker cook real quickly and very fast. So yeah, to open, it's now open. As you can see, I made soup with this and the soup is so good. We have already taken it. To close, can you hear the sound that it's making? That way it's closed, like really tight. So to release the pressure, this is the place where you release it with. So to open, it's like that. And then this one, when you're not using, you can remove it. I had warmed the soup for the kids to take after school. So this is all 6 liters. And yeah, that's about it. I made my soup. It tastes really good. I enjoyed using this for the time being, but I need to store the soup mahali pengine so that I can now wash and then keep it, because I'm not going to use it, at least not until I'm probably making either meat or beans. Rice, I still will have to use the jiko, because rice mostly it's my nanny who cooks, not me. If I'm the one cooking, I can use the pressure cooker to cook it, because I need to show her how to use. And no, so this one I'm just gonna be the one using it. But for the beans and rice, beans, ndengus, such, we are going to be using the pressure cooker. But yeah, that's about it. I'm in love with this. If you do not have a pressure cooker at your home, like what the soup, let me just show you. When you press the soup option, it will load, I don't know what, and then now it's started cooking. And it only takes 25 minutes, but you can always add. You can always add the minutes that you want. Where? Miliona, you can, that's to reduce. So, I don't know. Preset. I don't know if it's going to preset, but if you press this option, that's the option that it gives. So I don't know, you can always put it off and on again to continue cooking your soup. But for soup, it's just 25 minutes. But I don't know, this should be for vegetable soup, or I don't know, this or this should be for meat soups. I do not know, but I'll get there. But in the meantime, I cooked twice for 50 minutes and it was so tender. I don't know, we've already eaten some, but I'm not sure if I can show you. As you can see, the meat was already falling off the bone, and as I've said, it was a lot. We've already eaten twice. So that's the oxtails. And then I did add some ginger and garlic in here. What else? And some very kidogo salt. So you see, like this is a ginger. I just needed it for flavor. That's why I didn't bonda it so much. But yeah, in fact, it's warming the soup already. As you can see, you can tell when it's on, it's actually warming the soup. So I'm in love with these batches. My kitchen is getting, my kitchen is getting complete slowly, but surely we will get there.